As a DoorDash driver, you can deduct mileage at the standard IRS rate of around 70 cents per mile in 2025 for business use. This includes driving from home to pickups, between deliveries, and back home. However, personal trips are excluded. The IRS requires detailed records, including dates, odometer readings, and the business purpose of each trip. Keep these records for 3 to 7 years in case of an audit, which are becoming more common for gig workers. Use Schedule C to claim your deduction. Ditch manual logs. Apps like Everlance and Stride automatically track mileage via GPS and generate IRS-compliant reports. They distinguish business miles from personal, saving time and reducing errors. DoorDash also integrates basic tracking into its app. Tax tips. Only deduct business miles, avoid double dipping if DoorDash reimburses you, and consider potential EV tax credits if you drive an electric vehicle. Many drivers save between $1,500 and $3,000 annually using these strategies.